National Park. Up to our left is Springbrook National Park. So after we've gone to the Natural Arch, we'll come back this way into the middle. The good thing is that this is the most water you've had in here for about 6 months. We had some good rains about 6 weeks ago, and she's flying really well. There they go, as you can see, as far as Northern Island. You won't get that today, which is a shame, but it's all okay. If you look at the plot to the right, guys, it says Aboriginal names and meanings. Can you see the tallest building sticking up?
Yeah.
That's Q1. We're going to build a Q2. Q1 is the highest residential building in the world. A bet.
I'll show you a sticker. No.
Alright then.
The white-headed white banded snake or something like that. No, they've got a couple of bands behind them.
I've never seen it before.
Yeah, I've got.
I don't like it, I can feel their wings on fire. Tu t'es excusé pour qui? Pour moi ou pour l'oiseau?
Pour toi.
Ah, il n'y a pas de mal.
Oh.